Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, November 21st. Yesterday, we talked about the importance of saying the words, I am sorry, genuinely. And I want to point out that apologizing is actually not the same as asking for forgiveness. Our sincere apology is a way to validate the fact that we are open to witnessing and acknowledging the harm we have caused. And asking for forgiveness is a different story entirely. So today, let's look at this third step on the path of forgiveness, actually asking for it. We often wonder if it is selfish to ask for forgiveness. Are we asking to be let off the hook, to not pay our debts to society, or to not be held accountable for our actions? No, it's not selfish to ask for forgiveness. And in truth, it is the highest form of our accountability. By asking for forgiveness, we're committing ourselves to the possibility of change. We're signing up for the hard work of transformation. None of us is irredeemable, and to dismiss any of us as unworthy of forgiveness is to dismiss all of us. We ask for forgiveness because none of us can live in the past. The victim cannot live in the past. The perpetrator cannot live in the past. When we ask for forgiveness, we ask for permission to begin again. Much like in a meditation practice, when we notice we're not being present, we always have a chance to begin again with more intention, with more presence. In the same way, when we ask for forgiveness, we ask to no longer be held hostage by our past mistakes. When we ask for forgiveness, we're in the middle of a profound process that sets both victim and perpetrator free. There is no asking for forgiveness without admitting the wrong and witnessing the anguish. If you still find it hard to ask for forgiveness, there may be some work on self-forgiveness that you need to do, but we will discuss it later in the series in a few days. For now, I just want to remind you that asking for forgiveness from your victim is another way of acknowledging your responsibility and your sincere wish to repair what you have broken. There is no guarantee you will be forgiven, and there is no guarantee that a relationship will be restored. But through asking, we do our part, and it is only when we do everything in our power and walk the path of forgiving to the best of our ability that will liberate ourselves from a shameful past. Every sinner has the potential to see with the eyes of a saint and recover the humanity they lost through hurtful behavior. Let me repeat that. Every sinner has the potential to see with the eyes of a saint and recover the humanity they lost through hurtful behavior. Today, we will continue with the practice of box of forgiveness with all this in mind. See if this practice will feel different now that we've learned some new things about this step. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. Just feel yourself breathe. Feel how your body receives the breath, how it responds to it. Try to find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are. without struggle. Now create a safe space by bringing to mind a place where you feel completely safe, at home, free. This place can be real or imaginary. Just try to see it and inhabit it fully. Are you indoors or outdoors? Is this a large or small space? What does it smell like? What does the air feel like on your skin? What sounds do you hear? Now notice that someone is calling for you. The one who is calling speaks in a voice filled with warmth, love, and delight. When you feel ready, welcome this person into your safe place. And notice how their presence increases your sense of safety and assurance. Who is your companion today? Between you and your companion sits an open box. It is small and light enough for you to lift and hold. So do that and notice the box's shape, size, texture. And now start telling your companion the story of what you have done wrong. Tell the truth about the harm you have caused in as much detail as you can. And notice that as you speak, the guilt and shame are pouring out of you like a stream into that box. Talk until you're finished. I'll give you about a minute in silence for that. Now ask for forgiveness. Tell your companion that you are sorry for what you have done and simply ask for forgiveness. Notice that your companion smiles at you. They know that you are whole and worthy of love, no matter what you have done. Now gently close the box of forgiveness and take it into your lap. Sit with it for a few moments. And when you're ready, hand the box to your trusted companion. And then leave your place of safety. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, thank yourself for this deep, powerful work you're doing. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice and, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on the difference between apologizing and asking for forgiveness. Also, keep reminding yourself that every sinner has the potential to see with the eyes of a saint and recover the humanity they lost through hurtful behavior, and that by asking for forgiveness, you are asking for a chance to begin again, to stop being held hostage by your past mistakes. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday. Enjoy your day.